about it, cuz?
It's a nice car.
It's nice. It's cool. If you got somebody that can handle it, it's professional and good, and
It's
not
for
too.
you, cousin.
Yeah, it's for me. What
It's
you
for
think?
you.
Block life, I'm traumatized off homicide. Wrong or right, no question asked, you know I'm gon' ride. Get ready to go high. When the narcs come out, I don't go outside. All drugs, I'm energized. I'm back, feel like it been a take a trip to my palace.
There we go. Yeah. Cuz in the skinny scatty.
Oh my God. No.
Cuz I said, I'm close by the house. Drop me off. Be tripping. Man, me and Cuz have been having a good time, y'all. Today's Sunday. Beautiful Sunday. It's the 1st October. Look at that thing. Dang. Yeah, that was one of them big old ATV, golf ATV, Supermax thing. That thing fast too. And it's good for off-roading and stuff too. Still feel good. Ooh, that thing screamed, don't it? See, scream. And you will lose phones and devices, money, change, all that. Now this will take you right here to, that's me downshifting. This will take you right here to, you know what I mean, when you lovely reside at. She gonna be mad about that one. Whoever that lady is, she's gonna turn around and she's gonna get me. Cause her window was cracked. When somebody do that to us right now, cuzzo, the echo, it's the way Dodge concealed these vehicles with, like, basically how you got the foam in your house and the padding for insulin. They really padded these vehicles really good, where even if you put up the windows and stuff, it's not as, see, it don't sound the same, do it?
No.
They got it more concealed. Like, I love how they did it. It's like thicker in here. And my friend that blew up, these seats is so thick. Feel them, cuz, all right, quick. They so thick, you feel them?
Yeah.
Like, what saved her was they wrapped around her, so when it exploded, it didn't hit her that much. That's what saved her. But the fire got her and stuff like that. And she home now, thank God. But yeah, you gotta be careful with these type of cars, period, man. Like, for real. But yeah, it sounds different. It sounds so different then. See, now it sounds different. And then now I can come all in nice and lovely and peaceful.
Get
And
me out of here.
what you say, Cuzzo?
Get me out of here.
Get out of here, Cuzzo say, get me out of here. Tell them I ain't signed up for Six Flags
No,
today.
I didn't.
You ain't signed up for Six Flags. Cuzzo say, I signed up for a store run. I called the DoorDash and they sent me Daytona 500. They sent me NASCAR. I ain't out here order NASCAR. NASCAR downtown.
No.
Down the street. She said I ordered me Walmart run. I ain't know Walmart had a NASCAR service.
Good gracious almighty.
Yes. What you think about it, cuz?
It's a nice car.
It's nice. It's cool. If you got somebody that can handle it, it's professional and good, and
It's
not
for
too.
you, cousin.
Yeah, it's for me. What
It's
you
for
think?
you.
And I ain't even take you 100, 120, 130, 40, 50. You know what I'm saying? We ain't even get up to 90 or 100. Like a full whong. Like, I don't even want to do you like that.
No.
That's why I was like, we're going to keep it under 50. We kept it under 50. It was fun. Because like, hurry up, you taking too long in the parking spot. Because I said, oh, don't fake park, pump fake park and pull off again. Don't pull off again, cuz I know you'll be to pull it off again. I gotta go to the store, cuz. Let me out. My movies ain't gonna even do this to me, cuz this is more crazy than movies, ain't it? This thing. I gotta get you my red one, too. I can't wait to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I love you, cuzzo.
Love you.
Till love, Till family. We the last of the Till family as far as like the next generation of Tills, the kids we got, but we the last real strong original Tills. You know. Yeah, I love you, cuz. Call me in a little bit.
All right.
Alrighty. Love this car, boy. Woo! Thirsty. They got a R2. Hi, y'all.
Jones barbecue and foot massage. Jones barbecue and foot massage. Better come down here, get some of this shit.